Hello, it's Richard here from EagleSix Airsoft, and we're going to be testing this Tokyo Marui HK416, the tan model. Obviously lovely build quality on these guns, and we have installed some upgrade parts on this one. So it's a level 3 internal build, and we've done the obviously the power spring at level 1, obviously the hop rubber at level 2. The hop rubber choice was customized at the Firefly option, and level 3 is the power barrel, which is the Prometheus one we've installed. And we've also done the a Jefftron Leviathon inside there to obviously give the faster trigger response and remove all the mechanical assembly, so it's now all effectively controlled by a computer. And then we've got the gold Prometheus bar kit in the stock, just to do the stock conversion, which obviously I've left the cap off here just to demonstrate, and it just allows you to just slide a battery in without cutting or messing anything up, if you know what I mean, with any sort of crazy chopping and cutting. So we've obviously done that. It's all nice and neat, and we're just demonstrating it now working. So obviously the build was set up for 3 2s. We have so tested and measured on 3 2s at 272, so it's nice and high up there, but obviously not over the limit. And obviously that would be our recommended ammo, but obviously if you want to use lighter ammo you can do, and we're just going to demonstrate today on that heavier ammo. Obviously the main purpose of these videos is you know, sort of a quality control process. If there's anything going to fall off the gun now, you know, things that might go wrong in that first game, we're hoping that they come to light, so that it doesn't happen to you. Beyond that, then obviously we can cross that bridge if it ever happens, but we hope that obviously this whole QC process catches any problems, and obviously a customer gets a great result at the end of it. So we're just going to demonstrate single shot now. You can see there all the functionality of the gun is still working, even though it's had the ECU conversion. And yeah, obviously the Jefftron has a sort of clunk to the trigger, so as you pull it, it basically sort of feels a bit more clicky. So on this particular one, so they call it a real feel trigger system. And yeah, it's nice positive feedback. So yeah, so it's a nice product, and we get on really good with it now, and it's had a lot of time to you know, really sort of R&D on the software, and yeah, it's, you know, pretty much flawless installation now, which is cool. Good for us. So it's the original TM motor in this one, combined with a 7.4 watt battery, and obviously the 20% natural boost that you get from fitting a MOSFET system, which obviously equates to, you know, a pretty high rate of fire, if you know what I mean, there, for a TM recoil. So that's obviously fairly enjoyable. obviously things that you're looking for post doing work is obviously that stock tubes, you know, haven't come on, you know, wound. You know, flash hiders aren't falling off, sights aren't coming off, and generally everything's still sort of in its place that it should be. You know, obviously our Loctite procedure on this is fairly dialed in now, so that should be no issues going forward. But yeah, otherwise all dialed in, and we hope you enjoy. Any problems, let us know. Obviously the build description, the build specs will be in the description for the video. Okay, thank you very much.